Hi everyone, welcome to Fokker Academy. See in this problem, here for a generator develops 200 volts and has an internal resistance of 100 ohms. Then find the power delivered to a load of 100 ohms. So according to the problem, the generated voltage is given as 200 volts, and for this generator the internal resistance is given as 100 ohms. So internal resistance is given as 100 ohms and load resistance is given as 100 ohms. Here we want the power delivered in 100 ohms load resistance. So first of all find the load current. So load current I equal to generated voltage divided by total resistance. That means RL plus RI. So E is 200 volts upon 100 ohms plus 100 ohms. Load current I equal to 1 ampere. Now we want power in load resistance. We know that load power equal to I square RL. So I got 1 ampere. So 1 square into 100 ohms, nothing but 100 watts. So the power 100 watts is delivered to the load of 100 ohms. So from the options, option is the correct option. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.